Okay, welcome to math lesson number 17 today. Before we do our math lesson, let's see if we can count to the number 60, all right? We're gonna count to 60, I'm gonna count and snap, and I want you to follow along. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. What number? 60. Today is Wednesday, September 22nd. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday. It's the middle of the week. Okay, let's grab our paper. You can come in. Yeah, it's fine. Let's grab our paper, math number 17. Write your name at the top. Okay, we're going to start on number 1, and we're going to write the number 16. You make a 16 by doing a 1 and a 6. Here is the song that goes along with the number 16. Ready? Come straight down and that is all. Slant on down and give it a curl to make the number 16. Next dot, come straight down and that is all. Slant on down and give it a curl to make the number 16. Okay, find the next dot, slant on down, or come straight down and that is all. Then we're going to do a slant and a curl. Next dot, come straight down and that is all. Slant on down and give it a curl to make the number 16. Find number 2. This is going to be a story problem. So we're going to be drawing. I'm going to use a pencil, and I'll read you the story. It says, 2 dogs were playing in Tony's yard. Draw a picture to show the dogs. Now listen, you do not have to draw your a very detailed dog. You know, you can just make something that looks like a dog. If you need to push pause, you can. There's 1 dog. Two dogs, okay? 2 dogs were playing in Tony's yard. 3 more dogs came to play. Draw a picture that show the dogs that came to play. 1, 2, 3. Hard and give some feet, tail, head. Okay, push pause if you need to take more time to draw the dogs. Now it says, how many dogs are playing in Tony's yard now? How many dogs total are there? We had 2 dogs, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write that underneath number 5. So 2 dogs plus 3 more dogs equals 5. Number 3, it says write the numbers between 6 and 9. What comes in between 6 and 9? You can do it. Remember the math. Sorry, let me start over. Think of the number 6 and then what comes after 6. So if you want to start over at 1 and count up, you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And after 7 comes 8. All right, number 4 says color the pennies brown. Remember that pennies are brown. Go ahead, circle the penny, and then shade it in. I'm gonna do mine while you do yours. Okay, if you need to push pause while you color your pennies, that's just fine. It says, how many pennies did you color? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pennies. Right above all the pennies, there's a little line. You can write the number 5. Next says, how many shapes are in each row? Let's start with the triangles. Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Next to the triangles, 4. Down to the right and cut it in 2. Next one. How many circles? 1, 2, 3. Halfway around and around again. And how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 can be tricky. Make an S and go back home. There we go. Okay, so it says how many shapes are in each row. Write the number in front of each row. We did that. Use a red crayon to color the row with the fewest. What does fewest mean? Grab your red crayon. Fewest means the smallest, okay? So you can either look here and see which number is the smallest, or you can look at your graph and you can see which one has the shortest line. See, the squares there's a lot. It goes far. Triangles goes kind of far. Circles has the fewest, the smallest amount, okay? So we're gonna color the circles. Then it says use a blue crayon to color the row with the most. Grab your blue crayon. We're gonna color the rows with we're going to color the squares with the blue crayon because it has the most. All right, that's all for today. Great job of following along.